Hello students, welcome again to my channel DNA.1 to Education. Today we are going to discuss a new topic in mathematics. The topic is rearranging formula. In this video, we will learn about what is rearranging formula or changing the subject of formula, example of rearranging formula, benefit of rearranging formula, tips and trick, and many things about rearranging formula. Okay students, we will start our lesson today. Rearranging formula. Okay students, what is rearranging formula? Students, rearranging formula is very important in mathematics, physics, chemistry, in science. Rearranging formula or changing the subject of the formula is very important in science. Why? A formula is a mathematical relationship between different quantities that is expressed with algebra. Algebra is very important in rearranging formula. Okay students, example 1 for you. For example, acceleration is force divided by mass. A equal F over m. You know this one? The second law of Newton. In this case, we say acceleration is the subject of the formula, right? Okay, look at the swivel. We can change the subject of the formula. For example, by doing cross multiplication, we get A times m equal F or F equal A times m. In this case, F is the subject of the formula. In this case, F is the subject of formula. So students, what is benefit of rearranging formula? What is the benefit of rearranging formula? Students, at least there are two benefits of rearranging formula. If you have ability in rearranging formula, so what's the benefit? The first is knowing how to use and rearrange formula, a very useful skill in math, science, physics, chemistry. Very useful skills. The second, it can be recognized as the letter on its own on one side of the equal sign. Okay? Remember? Okay, students, I want to give you 1, 2, 3 tips and tricks how to rearrange the formula. 1. Group or classify all items that have the same variable to be the subject. Yes, you can add, subtract, multiply, divided by anything as long as you do the same thing to both sides of the equal sign. The second is take the priority of operation. This is about algebra. Okay? The priority of algebra is cross multiply. If you found the fraction, open close the bracket by distribution and addition and subtraction. 3. Move or cancel a quantity or variable on one side of the equation. On one side of the equation. Okay? Okay students, directly we go to example 2 for you. Make P the subject of the formula for open the bracket P minus 2Q equal 3P plus 2. The first step, group or classify. Our target is P because P the subject. 2. Take the priority of the operation. Take the priority of the operation. Open the bracket. Our target is P. 4P minus 8Q equal 3P plus 2. Number 3, move or cancel a quantity or variable on one side. Move P to the left side and minus 8Q to the right side. So you got P the subject. P equal 8Q plus 2. Very simple, right? Done for you. Next, example 3 for you. P equal pi r plus 2r plus 2a. Make r the subject. Okay, group or classify all item. Our target is r. So there are two items of r, pi r and 2r. 2. Take the priority of operation. Our priority of operation. Close the bracket because we got 2r, two items of r. So r open the bracket pi plus 2 and plus 2a. Number 3, move or cancel a quantity. On one side, move P to the left side. So it will be P minus 2a. And R is P minus 2a over pi plus 2. Done by division, right? Okay, I think it's very clear about the rearranging formula. Hopefully, all the material is very clear to you. Okay, to make sure everything's clear for you, please do any practice. Okay, students? We go to the next practice. Okay, students, practice now. Thank you very much. Hello students, welcome again to my channel DNA.12Education. Today we are going to discuss about rearranging formula. Okay, rearranging formula, how to rearrange the formula to be the subject of something, right? Okay, students, I'll give you one example. 4, open the bracket, 2x plus 3 over 5 equal 3p over 4. Rearrange the formula to make p the subject. Okay, rearrange the formula to make p the subject. So you have to focus. Our focus is here, p, right? This is our focus. Okay, so then I give you 3 steps how to rearrange the formula. Number 1 is group or classify all items that have the same variable to be the subject is. Classify. So we have to classify P because we have to arrange the formula to make P. So the first step is classify all the subject of P. Okay? Number 2, take the priority of operation. Okay, next, you're going to do it. And number 3, move or cancel or a quantity or variable on one side of the equation. Okay, so then go to the solution. 4, open the bracket, 2x plus 3 over 5 equal 3p over 4. Okay, so our focus is p. Okay, the first step is group or classify. Okay, we are going to find all variable p. At the left side, no p. But at the right side, yes, we have one variable p. Okay? So, how to group or classify all items that our subject? the first step is doing the cross multiplication. That's the first step. If you found the fraction, once again, if you found the fraction, please do the cross multiplication or time all the item by LCM, or time or multiply all the equation by LCM, left and right. Okay, so students, I think we have two fractions, fifth and fourth, right? Fifth and fourth, right? So better we multiply all the items by LCM. Okay, multiply all the items by LCM of 5 and 4. So the LCM 5 and 4 is 20, right? Okay. 4, open the bracket, 2x plus 3 over 5 equal 3p over 4. All the item times by 20. Right? That's the LCM 5 and 4. Okay. 4, open the bracket, 2x plus 3 over 5 equal 3p over 4, and then times by 20. Right? Okay, good. Okay, everyone. 5 and 20 cancel. 4. 4 and 20 cancel 5. Right? Go. So 4 times 4, 16. 16, open the bracket, 2x plus 3. 3 times 5, 15p. Right? Okay, the next operation that we are going to do for this is division. Why? Because p already has the subject. Okay? Because p already has the subject. But the problem is we still found 15 here. Right? Okay, so how to modify this one? Correct. Put a 15 as a denominator, right? Put the 15 as a denominator, or by using that division. So p equal 16 times 2x plus 3 over 15, right? Again, students, we can expand this bracket. Right? You can expand the bracket. So you'll find here p equal 32x plus 48 divided by 15, or p equal 32x over 15 plus 48 over 15. Right? Oh, you got this one. You can simplify by 3, right? By 3, so you got 16. By 3, you got 5. So, the final answer is p equal 32 over 15x, okay, plus 16 over 5. Okay, this is the final answer to make p the subject of this formula. Thank you very much. Okay, students, welcome again to my channel. Okay, I have the second question. Rearrange the formula y equal 2pt over p minus t to make t the subject. Okay, rearrange the formula to make t the subject. Y equal 2pt over p minus t. Okay, student, the first rule is, the first tips and trick is classify the subject. Okay, but we found the fraction. Okay, once again, we found the fraction. As I mentioned before, the first step of the algebra operation is to cross multiply or times by LCM. Once again, the first step, how to modify the equation in algebra. If you found the fraction, please times by LCM or cross multiply. Okay, go. Y equals 2pt over p minus t. Okay, later we put the bracket here and then cross multiply. Right? Okay, next. Y, open the bracket, p minus t equals 2pt. Okay? The second rule, please open the bracket. Okay? The second rule is open the bracket. Okay? You know the priority of the operation. Open the bracket. Okay, good. Open the bracket here. 1, 2. Right? So, yp minus yp equals 2pt. Okay? Okay? And then, please classify all the item of t first. Classify, okay? Okay, go to the classification, group all the variable of t. Okay, we have one item, two items right here. So all the variable of t classified to one side. Okay, better minus yt go to the right side. Okay, next yp equal 2pt here plus yt. Okay, we got this one right, the variable here. Here's the variable t. This is our target. Okay, this is our target. Okay, next yp equal, to make it the subject, please close the bracket, 2p and y in the bracket. Out of the bracket is t, right? T times 2p, 2pt, t times y, yt, alright? Okay, next here. So, to make the subject, t the subject of the formula, t equal yp over 2p plus y. Okay, clear? So, t equal yp over 2p plus y. Okay, now we have t as the subject, the formula. After rearranging, y equal 2pt over p minus t. Okay, you got the new subject here. Clear? Thank you. students, this is the last sample for you. Okay, rearrange the formula to make B the subject. It's our target, B the subject. Okay, you got this one, B, and here B. Right, there are two B. Okay, go to the first step. The first step is classify all the item of B variables. Right, but we found the fraction. Once again, we found the fraction. When you found the fraction, the first step that we have to do is cross multiply. Come on. Okay, so A equal to minus 7B over B minus 5. Don't forget to put the bracket. Cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. Okay, so the cross multiplication is here and here. Okay, so A times B minus 5, the bracket, equal to minus 7B. Okay, and then when you found the bracket, open the bracket. Okay, open the bracket. 1, 2. Right? So, AB minus 5A equals to minus 7B. Okay, now the next operation is to classify B the subject. One item. Okay, so minus 7B we go to the left, and 5A go to the right. 7B go to the left because AB and 7B must be classified to one side, and minus 5A go to the right side. Okay, next AB plus 7B equals 2 plus 5A. Remember? Times minus, when minus across the equation, the sign will change. Okay, and then minus 7B2, when go to the right side, because minus belongs to 7B, go to the right side across the equal, minus will be positive. Okay, students, go. Here. So AB plus 7B equals 2 plus 5A. Okay, now we have B for two items. B. Okay, close the bracket. A plus 7B, right? The solution, right? Equal 2 plus 5A. So B equal 2 plus 5A over, we're doing division, right? A plus 7. Okay, finally, we got B as the subject after rearranging the formula A equal 2 minus 7B over B minus 5. We got the new subject of B in the new formula. Okay, students, I think all the material is clear, and if the material is not clear to you, please open the YouTube again and try to watch again and try to understand. Thank you very much. See you.
will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di Bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di Bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke, salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Canisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60 menjadi nilai 80 dan nilai saya yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. Semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.